You think I'm sexy? Tatanong ka kaagad ha, chairman ha? Siyempre, you are.
Yeah.
Kumusta biyahe?
Ayos ang biyahe naman. Medyo late na
Chill na naman.
Chillax
na naman yung drive niya.
Si chairman naman sa highway, chillax pagdating sa kantuhan yung pakayan. Sino tayo dun sa likod ko?
Hope you all enjoy the very delicious lunch.
Yeah.
And you are feeling the refreshed with the cooler fresh air in Baguio and ready for the adventure that lie ahead. And it is a pleasure to join you today. And even if only for fire, unfortunately. But as we embark on yet another epic journey with the Isuzu D-MAX. Right? I want to start by extending my heartfelt thanks for each of you to taking this time to be here and for your continued support, not just to the D-MAX but also the Isuzu brand. Well, so since it launched in June, our D-MAX has received a tremendous support and coverage from motoring medias and influencers group. And I'm truly grateful for that. Your insights and reviews and the stories have played a significant role in the showcasing the D-MAX, strengthen and new feature to be popular among the pickup buyers, and maintain its reputation as a durable and reliable vehicle. Today, we are not just here to test drive the D-MAX, we are here to create memories, the drive to Sagada, promises to be filled with breathtaking views and challenging terrains, and of course the opportunity to experience first-hand the capability of the D-MAX. I hope that during this trip you will discover new stories to tell and experience to share with your readers and the viewers. Also, I will not be able to join you for the entire journey. I wish all you a safe and enjoyable ride as you head to the beautiful mountain province. May this trip not only be a test of the D-MAX, but also an opportunity to strengthen our friendship and create more memories on the road. I really miss this occasion, but I look forward to hearing about all your stories when you return.
Grabe, fast ko. Bilis na, nakaupo agad ah.
This thing, ulan, kasama sa laro ng camping yan, kasama sa Overland yan. Pero lilipas yan, tatawid lang yan. So what we have here today, itong area na to, this is gonna be our lounge and dining area. So basically, all the food and preparations are done here in the kitchen. Everything in the kitchen is for you to partake. So feel free if you need a beer, if you need anything under the sun nandun, pwede nyo tubutin, okay? To my left, you can see where all the cars are parked right now. Yun yung mga room numbers that were given to you. Later, it will all be marked. So this is gonna be one fun experience, and all the rooms inside are provided. You already got your bags, right? If you see what's inside, there is anything in the tote bag is for you to take home.
Yay!
Okay, so hindi mo kailangan ibalik sa akin dito sa loob ng tote bag. So Yung kumot, hindi alam yung ibang to, ginawa namin ng diba? So hopefully, masarap sa kahag. Kung wala kang kahag tonight. Alright, so all the rooms, don't worry about the rain. So all of the gear in your vehicles that we have equipped for overlanding and outfitting with Isuzu is coincided with the brand. If the cars are tough and dependable, so are the gear. So guys, tonight, when it rains, don't worry, everything will be tight inside. Ito na yung maririnig natin. And, pero I promise you, with 90% accuracy na hindi ka mababasa sa loob. Okay? Condensation, konting hamog kasama sa laro yan. Pero hindi tayo papasukan ng ulan. To the left, if you see there's a bright spot there. You can see there. Yung maliwanag na area doon, that's where the main facilities for the shower and the toilets are. There's toilet paper, there's a hot shower there, so feel free to, hindi tayo maubusan ng tubig. So we've also spruced up the toilets for everybody to use. The lighted path allows you to go there, okay? So just some house rules, no? Kasi again, we're camping, hindi tayo parang normal hotel. All of our cars, magkakatabi tayo in terms of like sleeping area. So pag tulog time, let's just keep it quiet. Kung gusto natin mag-ingay, dito tayo mag-ingay. Para yung mga gusto na magpahinga, makapagpahinga dun sa mga rooms natin. Alright? Tomorrow morning, this is the fun part, 4:30 a.m. We will be going to Kiltepan Peak. So Kiltepan Peak, just the background, is one of the highest peaks in Sagada. And the view is facing the sunrise. And hindi ko alam yun hindi na kwenta sa akin yung broken hearts. So our breakfast tomorrow will be there. Tonight, just take it easy.
As you turn your gaze into the woodland, nurtured by God's almighty hand, that gives the river sweet caress that flows from the hearts of the trees.